At Brand Motion, it's a small company, so we have the ability to do vastly different projects. We get to do everything from consumer products that revolve around safety, as well as more recently, we're getting into engineering services, which allows us to make really unique concept vehicles that also need to be on a very accelerated schedule. So this means that in and out, we're getting to do different work on multiple vehicles, everything from like three-wheeled electric vehicles to autonomous sleds. Really just the ability to wear different hats and not get stuck doing the same thing over and over again. Our company is very mobile, which means that we don't do all of our work in the office. Sometimes we go off-site where our desktop computers and laptops and stuff, they're not able to come with us. So I was very interested in finding a software that was optimized and portable for a tablet. Looking into Shaper, that gave us all of the CAD tools that we needed in a platform that was hypermobile, very, very stable, and I guess above all else, quick. But there are some CAD geometries that we receive that are a bit too much for the iPad to handle. So when that happens, we transfer the data over to the desktop computers, and we're able to use the horsepower of those computers to process the CAD in a much more efficient way. Additionally, too, some of our team members who don't have iPads, we're able to include them in the development process with the desktop applications that are PC-based. So they're able to experience all of the intuitive commands and workflows of Shaper, but on their PC platform. Just the fact that Shaper can be on multiple devices gives us the ability to contextually choose which device will be best. One of the really unique features of Shaper 3D is how well it is built for augmented reality. The way AR is helping us grow our business is we are really able to lean into this new and exciting virtual reality, augmented reality space. And when we show them that we're actually able to take their vehicle that they brought to us in the CAD and just really pick up and put a dashboard into this vehicle, and that they're able to sit in it and have photos taken of themselves for scale, it really just makes that process all the more realistic. So there's that first kind of shock of, oh, this is new, this is AR, but the way we're able to utilize it by seamlessly bringing it into our workflow, it quickly just disappears, and then we're able to use AR as a tool rather than a neat party trick.